you ever feel nervous when someone asks, "What's your daily routine?"
Yeah, sometimes I forget what I even do every day.
Don't worry. Today we'll help you talk about your daily routine in clear, natural English.
And by the end of this video, you'll sound confident, like a native speaker.
Ready? Let's begin your English day. Hello everyone and welcome back to English Chat Hub, the channel where learning English is fun, easy, and full of good vibes.
Hi everyone, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Olivia.
In this video, we're going to talk about something simple but super important, your daily routine.
Exactly. This topic is one of the first things you learn in English, and it helps in small talk, interviews, or even travel conversations.
Because when people meet you, they often ask, "What do you do every day?" Or, "What's your typical morning like?"
So today, we'll show you how to answer easily, naturally, and confidently.
Okay, quick question for you watching right now. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Write your answer in the comments. I want to know.
Don't be shy. It's a great way to practice.
Let's start with the morning. Most people begin their day in a similar way, right?
Yeah, we all wake up first.
So you can say, "I wake up at 7 o'clock." Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Good. Then you might say, "I get out of bed and brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed."
And after that, breakfast time. I have breakfast at 7:30. I usually eat toast and eggs.
Or if you're like me, I just drink coffee and hope for the best.
Daniel, that's not breakfast. Okay, let's practice together. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast.
Time for a quick quiz. Let's see how much you remember.
I'll say a sentence in English, and you say if it's morning or evening. Ready? 1. I go to bed. 2. I eat breakfast. 3. I take a shower after waking up. 4. I turn off my alarm.
Answers: 1. Evening. 2. Morning. 3. Morning. 4. Morning.
Did you get them right? Great job if you did.
After breakfast, it's time to go out, to school or work.
Right. You can say, I go to work at 8 o'clock. I take the bus to school. I walk to the office.
Here's a little tip. If you're talking about your transportation, you say, "I go to work by bus," or "I go to school by train." But if you walk, you say, "I walk to work," not by walk.
Yes, good reminder. English prepositions are sneaky sometimes.
Let's try a quick role play. I'll be the teacher, and you, Olivia, are my student. Olivia, how do you go to work?
I go to work by car.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock.
Great. Your turn, friends watching. How do you go to work or school? Say it out loud right now. Practice.
You know what, Daniel? I used to take the bus every day, but one time I missed it. 3 days in a row.
Ha ha ha. Oh no.
Yeah, after that, I started walking. Best decision ever.
That's a great way to use routine verbs. I take, I start, I walk, I miss.
Exactly. Small verbs, big communication power. Okay, now it's lunchtime. You can say, I have lunch at 1 o'clock. Or, I eat lunch with my coworkers.
Or if you're a student, I eat lunch in the school cafeteria.
After lunch, you might say, I work on my computer. I attend meetings. I study English.
Good one. I study English every afternoon. Now that's what our viewers do, right?
Yes. Say it now. I study English every afternoon.
You're doing great.
Time for another mini quiz. I'll describe an action, and you choose the correct verb. You clean your teeth. What do? You brush your teeth. You eat something in the morning. What do? You have breakfast. You travel to school. What do? You go to school.
Nicely done. You're becoming an English routine master.
Now let's move to evening time. You can say, I come home at 6 o'clock. I have dinner with my family. I watch TV. I do my homework.
And don't forget, I take a shower. I brush my teeth again. I go to bed at 10.
Want to make your English sound more natural? Try adding time words like usually, sometimes, or always. For example, I usually go to bed at 10. I sometimes watch movies before sleep.
I always watch cat videos before bed.
Ha 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 ha. That's your daily routine for sure. Let's do a short role play. You can repeat after me or follow along.
I'll ask questions and you answer them at home. Ready? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10.
Great job. Practicing with questions like these makes your English flow naturally.
When you describe your full day, it's easy to connect sentences with and, then, or after that.
For example, I wake up at 7 and brush my teeth. Then I take a shower. After that, I eat breakfast and go to work.
That's perfect. Try telling your daily routine like a small story.
Like this, I wake up at 7 a.m. I take a shower, get dressed and eat breakfast. Then I go to work. I have lunch at 1 p.m. After work, I come home, have dinner, watch TV, and go to bed at 10.
Simple, clear, and easy to understand. Okay, one last quick quiz. I'll give you some sentences and you put them in order. A, I go to bed. B, I wake up. C, I eat lunch. D, I go to work.
The correct order is B to D to C to A.
Great job if you got that right.
Now let's add some personality. Instead of saying only simple sentences, you can add small details.
Like, I wake up early because I like quiet mornings. I drink coffee while reading the news. I walk to work because I enjoy the fresh air.
Details make your daily routine sound real, not robotic.
Okay, challenge time. Try to describe your day in 5 sentences. No writing, just speaking.
Example, I wake up at 7, I take a shower, I eat breakfast, I go to work, I sleep at 10.
Easy, right? Now pause the video and say yours aloud. Amazing job today, everyone. You learned how to talk about your daily routine using real natural English.
You practice morning, afternoon, and evening activities. You learn to use time words like usually, always, and sometimes.
And you even did role plays and quizzes.
Remember, the more you practice, the easier it gets.
So tomorrow morning, when you brush your teeth or drink your coffee, say your routine out loud in English.
Make English part of your daily life.
If you liked this lesson, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your own routine below.
We love reading your answers.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you in the next video. And until then,
Keep learning
and keep smiling.